Hi guys, welcome to another video. So I've had a parcel come from Amazon and it is a PR parcel from Aimeili. So as you can see, this is their nail art pens. The nib is 0.5mm. You get 12 different colours, ideal for polka dots, fine paintings, floral and pattern designs, French manicure on nail and so on. So on the back it shows you how to prep the pens and how to use them. Friendly tip, if the drawing is wrong, just wipe it with alcohol pad. We've got Aimeili's contact details and social media handles there, if anyone wants those. So let's have a little look at them, shall we? See what colours we've got inside. So we have got gold, brown, yellow, green, purple, silver, black, blue, pink, red, white and orange. Every single colour you can imagine. So I'm going to show you how to prep these first. So that's what each pen looks like. Marks on anything, a permanent ink. 0.5mm tip. These are the nice thin tips as well. They have got slightly bigger tips. I think they are 0.7mm tips. I'm not sure, but these are the smaller ones of the two, which I really wanted. So to prep the pen, you need to push down that nib just like that. Make sure to give each pen a good shake before you do this as well, guys. Just keep pushing it down and you'll see it starts off, that tip is white. It'll start coming down here, can you see? So just one more push and I think that'll be enough. Another one. So just make sure that nib's pushed right in. And there you go. Can you see the ink has now come through to where that white was and it's now blue? We're just going to have a little play with these on the box to start with, just to see how thin they are. Look at that. Nice, fine, small writing. We've got a little love heart. Yeah, I really like how thin the tips are on these. Look at that. Really nice thin tip. I'm going to do a little smiley face on my thumb. Just having a little play with these, guys. We'll have a look at a couple of the colours and then I am going to do a design using a few of them at the end of the video. I mean, look how tiny I can draw that heart. Itty bitty teeny tiny heart. Look at that. I really like how fine these tips are. I'm now going to show you how easy it is to draw a little flower. Really easy to do. Just like that. Look at that. Put a different colour dot in the middle and that will be the flower. I'm just going to show you again on the box how I draw the flower. That is such a quick, easy, beginner-friendly nail art to do, isn't it? Super quick, super easy. Just need to put a different colour dot in the middle and that'll be the flower done. Let's have a look at a different colour now, shall we? Shall we have a look at the red? So we're going to start off by giving it a good shake and then, like we did with the blue, push that nib down, making sure it's all the way in. As you can see, that one is done already. That was a lot quicker than the blue one. On this one, I'm going to show you how to do a French tip. Teeny tiny French tip. On my little shorties. Guys, look how quick and easy that is. You've got so much control over it coming out of a pen rather than using a brush. Look how quick and easy that was. Oh, shorty. What else should we do? Let's do a little swirly design on this nail using a few different colours. So that's the red. What I like about these is as well, if you make a mistake, all you've got to do is wipe it off with isopropyl alcohol and it'll wipe straight off. Because these air dry, they don't need to be cured in a lamp or anything. You just wipe them straight. You just wipe any mistakes straight off with some isopropyl alcohol. That's the blue. Let's have a look at this silver. Ooh, that's a nice bright opaque silver. Look at that. It covered straight over that blue and that red. These are very pigmented. I would like to try them over a black as well, just to see if you can draw over black. I think you probably could, judging by that silver over the blue and red though. So that's our little playtime finished. I'm now going to do a little design using a couple of the colours. So I'm just going to wipe this off, just show you how easy it is to wipe off with isopropyl alcohol on a lint-free pad. Look at that, look, done, all gone. Super quick, super easy, all done, look. Can't even tell there was anything there. So I'm going to use one of these shimmery base colours from Aimeili. So this is a gel polish. I think I'm probably going to use the second one. I'm not sure yet. Either that or this first one, I'm not too sure. I pulled out these 4 tips and I decided to go with the first one, the nude shimmery colour. So this one is colour 558. I'm going to give all 4 tips a full coat of that and then cure that in the lamp for 60 seconds. All 4 of them in this 4-pack of shimmery cover colours are absolutely beautiful. I love every single one of them. I did find this colour was a little bit too light though, so what I've done is I've given all 4 tips a coat of this one, cured them in the lamp for 60 seconds, and then I've gone over the top with the second one, which is a more pinky colour. I'm just going to show you me doing a couple of the tips and then I'll come back in once they're done and we're ready to do some nail art. Right guys, so I did the other 2 off camera. They've all been cured and they've all had 2 coats. We're now going to go in and do some nail art with the nail art pens. So on this pointer fingernail, I'm going to be drawing a French tip with this purple colour. Guys, I found drawing a French tip so easy. I actually found it easier than what I do using a brush. I just felt like I had so much control over that pen. Look how easy it was. I didn't have to rectify it. I didn't need to wipe any away. It just went on great. So smooth as well. It leaves a really nice smooth application. I really like these pens. And like I said earlier, these air dry, so they don't need to go into a lamp or anything to cure. You just put them to one side and let them dry. And they dry literally within seconds as well, guys. So that is the French tip done on the pointer fingernail. Look at that. Look how neat that is. That smile line is super crisp. Now we're on to the middle nail. And on this middle nail, again, we're going to do a French tip, but we're going to use this minty green colour. So that's that French tip done. Now we're on to the ring fingernail. On this ring fingernail, we're going to be doing some colourful leopard print. So with that minty green colour, I'm just painting some little splodges. That's the only way I can really explain it. All different shapes. These don't want to be circles. They want to be very irregular. Some smaller than others, some bigger than others. Like I say, all different shapes and very irregular. So I've gone in now and done the same with the purple. So that's them all done. I've now pulled out the black nail art pen and we're just going to outline these leopard print splodges now. Now when I say outline, you don't want to outline the whole thing. What I tend to do is probably outline like 2/3, leave a gap either side, then just do a little tiny bit. Don't do them all the same either, guys. Do each one differently. Do the outlining different on all of them. You want this to look as irregular as possible. You don't want it to be symmetrical. You don't want it to be looking neat. You want it to be very irregular. So I'm just going to do that on all of the leopard print spots, and then I'll pop back in a minute. So that's the leopard print done on the ring fingernail. Just going to pop that to one side, let that air dry. And now we're going back to the middle nail where we did that green French tip. And we're going to do some purple leopard print over the green French tip. Can go slightly over onto the nail bed colour, but predominantly I just want it going over where the French tip is. So I've gone in with the purple, we've done the leopard print spots. We're now going to go in with the black, outline them like we did on that ring fingernail. And once I've outlined them all, that'll be them all ready for some top coat, guys. So that is the nail art all done. As you can see, how cool do they look? We're now going to seal all that artwork in with Aimeili's No Wipe Shiny Top Coat. Like I said earlier, this ink wipes off really easy with isopropyl alcohol and even water as well. So we do need to make sure we seal all that artwork in with the top coat. So we're going to give all 4 tips a coat of top coat, and then we'll come back and take a look at them. Right guys, so that's what they look like on tip display stands, and that is what they look like being worn. Nail art always looks so much better when it's being worn, doesn't it? See how easy that design was as well, guys. A really quick, easy design using these nail art pens. So they're great for anyone that's doing salon nails and they're in a rush because they've got a lot of clients. They're great for beginners because you can just wipe them away and start again if you're not happy with the design. And it's a really quick, easy process. I really enjoyed using these, you know, especially doing them French tips. I felt like I had so much control over the pen. It was really, really easy to use. And that base colour, what we use, guys, that shimmery gel polish, look at that. What a beautiful base colour is that. That is like my perfect nail bed colour for French nails. Such a pretty shade. I love it. And then with that added sparkle just makes them even more gorgeous. All the products that I have used in today's video, guys, I will leave links for in my description box below. I have also got a discount code for Aimeili's website. I'll make sure that I pin that in the comments along with the link to the website. And that is everything for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please give the video a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.